Hey guys, welcome back to Geeks, and this is the realme C55, the successor of the most successful realme C35. Pero for this video, magtatagalog muna tayo kasi of course, this is an entry-level smartphone, so medyo tag-rich mode tayo dito right now. So ang nangyayari is, I'm going to show you why this is really a good smartphone. For the price starting at 8,199 pesos, 6GB of RAM, that's 128 GB of storage. Tapos meron din tayong mas taas na version for 10,999 pesos for 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. So, doon sa dalawa yung pagpipilian mo, and you now have a good smartphone na pwedeng lumaban for a very competitive price. Now, if you buy this smartphone right now, they are offering 1,000 peso off either sa TikTok shop nila or in their e-commerce shops. Or you can have a free bundle ng parang, I think it's a power bank you pre-order offline in their stores. Either way, this smartphone is really good. And let's check out why. Okay, so hindi na ako magpapatupik-tupik pa. Mabilis lang itong video na to. The design is really good. Flat edges, big display at 6.7 inches if I'm not mistaken. Full HD display and IPS, 90Hz refresh rate, 5,000 mAh battery, Helio G88 processor, either 6 or 8GB of RAM, and doon solve ka na. Ang higit pa sa lahat, meron siyang super VOOC charging. Plus, yung sinasabi nilang mini capsule design, inspired from the iPhone 14 series na parang dynamic island. Pero honestly, I'll give it a little bit more expounding later. Pero honestly, hindi naman siya ganun ka-exciting. Para sa akin, ito yung smartphone na nasa kanya ang lahat. Parang ganun eh. Kasi it has good battery, has good performance, malaking display, maganda yung charging, and then sa mga price range nito for around 10,000 pesos, ano ba yung mga ginagawa mo? Usually, it's just the usual Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Mobile Legends, and sapat siya para doon sa mga capabilities or sa applications na yan para masustento yung kailangan mo on using those kind of applications. Multitasking is no problem. Either 60GB of RAM or 8GB of RAM. Meron ka pa rin extended RAM na feature gamit yung virtual RAM feature ni Realme, kung saan nagbaborrow siya ng RAM, storage from the ROM na gagawin yung RAM. Kung pa naman siya masyado nakikita na nag-jitter, you'll hear some, you'll encounter some of the hiccups, of course, from side to side. Pero hindi siya yung detrimental or yung parang nakakainis. To the point na parang mayayamot ka pag naglalaro ka ng games or nagbabrowse ka or minsan nagmumultitasking or nagsiswitch from app to app. Honestly, yung ganitong user scenario for 10,000 pesos, sapat na siya eh. Everyday usage scenarios na social media, gagamitin mo siya for your e-wallets, magbabrowse ka from time to time, papatay, bukas mo yung data, hindi siya yung naglalag. Honestly, hindi talaga. So, this is a really good smartphone, and let's start off yung mga specifics. So, you have here IPS display panel, meron siyang fingerprint sensor at the side, and then meron siyang volume buttons. Meron siyang, of course, at the front is your camera, and then at the back is 64 megapixels, assisted siya with 2 megapixels. So, it's not bad at all. I'll show you some photos, samples later. Helio G88 processor powering this one. Hindi na siya katulad before yung Unisoc na Tiger Unisoc processor kung saan medyo nagiging sluggish siya. This is really an incremental upgrade kung saan lumalaban na siya towards mas magandang version in terms of Mobile Legends. Sinubukan ko rin maglaro ng Genshin Impact. Honestly, medyo may konting hiccups doon. Hindi ito yung Genshin Impact na talagang lalaroin mo lang sa single player, guys. Medyo intense yung animations niya. Pag nagsiswitch ka from character to character, doon nagkakaroon ng medyo bitin na performance kung saan nag-drop yung frame rates. Pero, overall, in terms of performance para sa Helio G88, everyday multitasking, mabilis yung display, it's also smooth, and maganda yung color production niya kung makikita nyo. See? And then, let's go to Mobile Legends. So makikita nyo ang color reproduction ng screen. It's really nice. Maganda yung colors niya. Hindi siya yung parang bitten in terms of saturation ng colors. Pagdating doon sa other details like yung sharpness, kuha niya yung finer details kung saan yung hinahanap mo higher than an entry-level smartphone. Kaya ka nag-upgrade ng smartphone, kunyari, from a 5,000 peso phone, di pa to 10,000, kuha niya lahat ng details na yun. So, when it comes to this display, it's really nice. Performance is really decent. Ano yung kailangan mong tignan dito sa realme C55? Honestly, kung gusto mo yung design. So, yung design niya at the back is, of course, plastic siya. More of a squarish edges. Patayin ko lang yung mobile edges. Makikita nyo dyan, okay siya. Meron siyang parang hairline finish. Yung texture at the back. Pero kung gagamitin mo naman yung jelly case nito, no problem. And it really looks nice. Ito yung parang aqua green version nila. Meron tayong gold and also the black version. Yung gold yung mas nakikita ko doon sa mga materials with Tim Bernard. But overall, it's really nice. Yung design niya, hindi ka magsasawa. And hindi yung parang tinipid ka. Okay, so let's check out right now some of the photo samples gamit yung cameras niya, especially on the 64 megapixel camera. Okay, so let's just check out right now yung sample photos using the realme C55. I'm just going to show you konting-konti lang. And ano yung maganda doon sa photos na nakuha gamit ito smartphone to. And then, give you some context. Bakit siya maganda? First is itong picture ng drink kung saan nakikita nyo. Yung toppings niya, even from the nuts and then yung cocoa. Maganda yung details niya kung saan nakafocus on the actual item. And medyo mahirap to, especially on the drink. Kasi mostly ang nafocus niya, yung mas makikintap ng mga bubbles. Here, okay siya. Next is more of a drink. Nakikita nyo dito from a lower part, parang kinuha ko siya ng ganitong part. The focus is a little bit here, sa gitna. Pero details pa rin on the drink itself, details in kulay, kuha niya, maayos siya. So, it's really nice on that part. And hindi mo siya parang titignan na parang missed opportunity pag kumuha ka ng pictures. As long as the lighting is really nice, it's good. Maayos mo makukuha yung mga pictures. Here, more of a tight shot. Makikita nyo dito yung more on the focus, pero overall, itong nachos na to, maganda yung details. More photos lang for actual photos, calling of course. Kita nyo here, subject photo, really good, pero yung background, medyo, since madilim on the background sa IKEA, doon lang siya medyo dumadapa. Pero pagdating pa rin sa details, okay, yung bag dito, makikita nyo. Right here, okay siya. So overall, it's very acceptable dito. Next, selfie using the 8 megapixel camera. Medyo maputa lang in terms of colors. Siguro sa face namin, medyo may noisy lang na nakikita or mas maraming noise na nakikita. Pero details, colors are fine. Siguro medyo flat lang talaga yung details pagdating sa mga selfies. But still, para sa presyo na to, it's very acceptable already. Hindi ka magre-reklamo already on this one. Okay? One more photo using the camera sa rear. This one is more of just taking a photo of himself. So isipin nyo parang pinipicture nyo yung paa nyo. Maayos yung details dito overall. Kahit yung focus is very nice. Selfie again, details on the face, kuha niya naman. And this one is more appropriate kasi nasa ilalim talaga ng ilaw. So this one is really nice and for 10,000 pesos, honestly, masaya siya. Maganda itong quality ng photo. So, meron din siyang 64 megapixel Ultra HD mode kung saan kukuha siya ng picture na mas matagal. This is indoor and ang lighting niya is here. But still, yung level of details na kuha niya, maayos. You can see here, very acceptable yung details here. Even though na hindi siya ganun kaliwanag, I still really prefer this photo. Last one, taking photos lang siguro indoors, medyo challenging. This one's photo of me. Nakafocus siya sa laptop. So, even though na may face na already detected here, unfortunately, yung software ang na-detect is really more on the laptop. Hindi siya naka-detect or naka-focus sa face ko para magkaroon that kind of clarity. So, medyo blurry yung face ko, pero pagdating sa laptop, malinaw. So, I think yun yung mga challenges niya pagdating dun sa photos. You just have to click kung saan mo talaga gusto mong focus. But overall, really nice siya. Indoors, outdoors, level of details, color, sharpness. Para sa 64 megapixel camera on a 10,000 peso smartphone, it's really, really nice. So guys, you check out the realme C55 here. Hindi ko siya masyado dinuel in terms of the specifics talaga. Ngayon, siguro kung may isang feature kang kailangan i-watch out or maririnig mo from time to time dahil dito sa smartphone na to, yun yung mini capsule. Now, the mini capsule is more of an encapsulation na try ni Realme to also have the same effect of the dynamic island from, of course, from the iPhone. Ito yung effect kung saan magkakaroon ng black bar at the sides of the mini punch hole dito sa area na to. And it will have an added effect. So I'll just show you some samples na siguro on video. Pero honestly, dalawa lang yung purpose niya right now. It's to measure yung remaining data mo on mobile data consumption kung naglagay ka ng limit. And second is kung nag-charge ka. So, although it's nice to have, yung parang animation niya kasi is nakakakuha ng attention ng mata mo. Pero it's not something that you will really buy the smartphone for. Kasi honestly, kung dalawa pa lang yung purpose niya for notifications, it doesn't even show up right now in terms of notifications sa messages mo sa Facebook or even other applications. Hopefully, ma-adapt ni Realme to into their future updates. And I think solved na yun. Battery-wise, honestly, 5,000 mAh, tatagal siya ng isang araw or even more. Tapos yung charging niya is 33 watts per book, which is really fast already. Less than an hour, full charge ka na. And yun yung nagustuhan ko dito. Meron siyang super book for a realme C series. So, that's one good feature for 10,000 pesos. May faster charging ka na rather than having 18 watts. It's now 33 watts. So, panalo sa akin yun. And, yeah, this is really a good phone for its price point. For starting at 9,000 or 8,999 or 10,999. So, either of two, pili ka. But honestly, invest ka na sa 256 gigabytes. Pas panalo. In the long run yun kasi mas magtatagal yung smartphone sa'yo. Alright guys, so comment kayo down below in terms of kung ano yung mga questions nyo o kung meron kayong gusto check out. Para sa akin, it's really helpful for me. And do follow us sa social media pages namin and check out the website www.hungrygeeks.com.ph for more news like this one. So guys, thank you for just checking out. Thank you for checking out this video. See you in the next one.